Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's our Shumatt's live streaming and the live streamer Caitlin. Today we're going to introduce you one of our control valve from our company, this one. Then follow me, let's take a look. Firstly, you can see the outside packages. Generally, we will use the blue VCI anti-valve specs to package it. Here, this is the product SKU and the product code is F00VC01347. By the way, for the logo, label, packages, etc., we support customized service. Then, let's check the inside products. Before that, I will open it. In the inside, as you can see, this kind of transparent bottles, it's very hard and can be better avoid some damages during the transportation. This is the oil paper to wrap it up. As you can see, this is the whole side. Actually, we not only sealing the whole side, we also sealing the separate parts like the valve cap or the valve rod. Here, if you look carefully, you will find on the surface of the valve cap there is the coating figures here. Our product, we have the quality guaranteed 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of our customers, if you are not satisfied with the quality, return or exchange it, all is okay. And here, Caitlin has 3 tips I would like to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean the valve assembly, clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. The second tip is if you want to install it, make sure the valve cap in the right position. The valve rods can be moved smoothly off the injector body. Okay, so much for the introductions. Actually, if you still have other questions, if you want to know, please leave the comments below the YouTube videos. After I see that, I will reply you. At last, you can follow us at our YouTube or the Facebook account. And feel free to contact us. So much for today. Thank you for sticking with me. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. See you.